The Supreme Court's landmark decision, weighing the future of the Voting Rights Act. The Supreme Court's conservative majority is set to make a pivotal ruling that could significantly impact the Voting Rights Act, a cornerstone of American democracy. On Wednesday, the court will consider a case from Louisiana that challenges a key provision of the act, raising questions about the future of minority voter representation. The case at hand, a complex web of legal and racial considerations. The dispute revolves around Louisiana's congressional map, which was redrawn last year to ensure 2 majority black districts, as mandated by the Voting Rights Act. The original map only had 1 such district, despite a third of the state's population being black. The Supreme Court's involvement began with a narrower legal focus, but a re-argument request in June shifted the focus to a broader constitutional issue. The core question: can states consider race in redistricting? The central debate centers on whether states can use race as a factor in drawing new districts, while adhering to Section 2 of the 1965 Voting Rights Act. This section was enacted to protect minority voters from historical racial discrimination. The court's decision will now determine if ensuring majority black districts violates the 14th and 15th Amendments, which guarantee equal rights, including the right to vote for former slaves. The conservative argument, a colorblind constitution. Conservatives argue that these constitutional amendments prohibit any consideration of race. The Supreme Court has previously embraced this colorblind interpretation, notably in its 2023 ruling that ended race-conscious college admissions. This interpretation could significantly limit the Voting Rights Act's ability to protect minority voters. A turning point: Louisiana's unexpected alliance. Interestingly, Louisiana, which initially defended its map, has joined forces with self-identified non-African American voters who sued to block it on constitutional grounds. The Trump administration also supports this new position, adding a layer of complexity to the case. The impact: a broader reach and potential consequences. A ruling in Louisiana's favor could have far-reaching implications. It would reduce the need for minority group-based districts, potentially leading to fewer minority lawmakers in Congress and state legislatures. This decision could also impact the 2026 midterm elections, as it may influence how states draw new districts, potentially benefiting one political party over another. The Supreme Court's power shaping the future of voting rights. The Supreme Court's decision will shape the future of voting rights and minority representation in the United States. With the court's conservative majority, the outcome of this case could set a precedent that affects voting laws across the country, leaving a lasting impact on American democracy.